Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and so happy to see you once again in today's video. In today's video, I'll be combining technical analysis with indicator once again, but I'll be focusing on OTC currency pairs. I know we have already done a video about OTC currency pairs, but today I'll be combining OTC currency pairs and trading them with indicators, so it will be quite interesting. So you need to stick around until the end of the video. And also I have a private chat in Telegram channel. You need to join this Telegram channel because this is where I post trading signals once a day. I also post my chats. I also post news about crypto. So to join this chat, you need to write me with the code word money team. I left a link down below in the description box. That link is a link to my personal chat. Just write me the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this team so that you can be able to make some money. Also copy my trading signals, copy my chats, and make some money as well and make some profit. So let's start trading. Well, hello friends. So today, as I said at the beginning of the video, I'll be trading with OTC currency pairs. Today is a day off, so they are made available when the exchange is closed, and also they are pre-recorded by the broker. So this gives you a chance to be able to trade when you don't have time to trade during the day. You can trade at night and on the weekend. And also these OTC currency pairs only support technical analysis. They do not support fundamental analysis. And today I'll be showing you how to trade with them using the alligator indicator. But you have to pay attention that you have to always look at the charts, at the levels, and before using this indicator, because it's necessary to always use technical analysis before using any other indicator, because indicators are just auxiliary tools that help you to make a trade or help point out an entry point in the market. So make sure you put that in mind before you begin trading using an indicator. You need to know your technical analysis very well. Anyway, let me show you how to open this. So I'm clicking this button in this corner, and in the list of indicators, I'm choosing alligator, and I'll leave all the settings by default, only changing the thickness of the moving averages, and I'll make them a little bit thicker so you can see them better. And also, if you wish, you can also change the colors of the moving averages, as long as the first one is different from the lower ones, which you should keep in mind. Well, as you can see the moving averages on the chart, and this is how the indicator works. Well, you have to open a trade when you see the green moving average is crossing the second red moving average from top to bottom, and at the moment of the crossing you open a down trade, which will indicate that price is falling, which is also very good. But also this indicator works in the opposite direction in the same way. When the green moving average is crossing the second red moving average from bottom to top, this signals that the price is going higher, so you need to open an up trade at this point. It's also okay to enter the market when the intersection happened and the moving averages are going parallel, then moving in different directions. And the further they move, it means that the stronger the movement is. So here you can enter the market, but before you need to analyze the situation in the market. So I'm going to show you some situations and trade with them using this indicator. So let me find my very first entry points. Well, this is the level of support on the chart, and there was a downtrend here. Well, the price bounced up, and after this it's trending towards the level. The indicator is signaling about an entry point, so I'm opening a down trade for 2 minutes because the green moving average crossed the red moving average from top to bottom. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this situation, I can see that the price trended to the support level and brought me my profit due to the indicator helping me. So I think I'm ready to continue trading. Well, this is the beginning of the breakout of the level of resistance, and the intersection happened. So I'm opening a 1 minute trade upwards and wait for the results of this trade. Well, looking at this, I can see that the price trended upwards here, and I've got the profit and the indicator was really right again. And here it was a breakout of the level and price went beyond it. So I'm ready to continue. Well, this is a level of resistance and right now it is a flat zone. The price has hit the level in a very short time and the indicator shows that the moving averages are moving far from each other. So I'm thinking I'm going to enter the market for 2 minutes with an uptrend because price has been moving along this level and it's a chance of a breakout soon. Analyzing this, the level isn't broken now, but I've already got the profit. The movement up resumed and the indicator was again right. And I suppose that this level will be broken through anytime soon. And as you can see that the price is going beyond this level. So analyzing this new situation, you can see that the level of resistance, you can see that price touched this level and then bounced down. Now it's trending to this level again. So I'm going to enter with an uptrend for 2 minutes because the indicator signals an entry point at this point. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, the price trended upwards and there was a false breakout. The bounce down happened and the price trended upwards again and it has brought me my profit. So let me continue trading. Well, this is the level of resistance and there is a very good movement upwards. And looking at the indicator, I can see the intersection of the moving averages and they are moving further from each other. So I'm entering the market for 1 minute with an up trade and I wait for the results of the trade. Well, analyzing this situation, there was a false breakout of the level and the price bounced downwards and then resumed movement upwards. So I'm ready to continue and find another entry point. Well, this was a very good downtrend and from this point there was a reversal and the price has been trending upwards and the indicator signals an entry point. So I'm entering the market for 3 minutes with an uptrend, expecting the price to hit the inner resistance level with the possibility of a flat and then upward movement will resume. So let me wait and see the results of the trade. Well, analyzing this situation, the price trended upwards and it has brought me my profit. Paying attention to the movement of the price because you can notice that it is happening without red candlesticks, which was what I assumed at the beginning. So let me continue trading. So this is the same currency pair after a while and I can notice the reversal from some point and the downward movement of the price. So I'm entering the market for 3 minutes with a downtrend and also the small flat is possible here. But after that, the price is likely to keep on moving to the support level. And the indicator, you can see the moving averages are moving parallel and they're diverging further from each other. That is also signaling that movement downwards will continue. So let's wait and see the results of the trade. Well, analyzing the trade, the price has trended downwards and it has brought me my profit. Well, this indicator was right again and the time was chosen correctly. So I'm ready to go on. Here there was a very good uptrend. After the touch of the resistance level, the price passed down and now it is breaking through this level. So I'm opening a 1 minute trade upwards because the moving averages are diverging further from each other upwards, indicating the continuation of the movement. So let me wait and see the results of the trade. Well, analyzing this, the impulse upwards occurred and this level is broken now. And it has brought me my profit. The indicator was really right again. So let me continue trading. This is another situation. This is a very good downward movement. The price has been trending towards the inner support level and the indicator signals the entry point, which is why I'm entering the market with a down trade for 1 minute only, and I'll wait and see the results of this trade. Analyzing this trade, it was a small pullback up and then price trended downwards and broke me my profit, and the time was enough here. The indicator showed a very good entry point and the movement kept on moving downwards to the inner support level as I assumed. So let me continue. This is a steady impulsive movement upwards. The price has passed the zone of flat and is exiting its edges. And I think that the price will trend towards the resistance level that is located higher. And paying attention to the indicator, I can see that it's signaling the movement upwards that is going to happen very soon. So I'm going to open an up trade for 5 minutes because the flat is possible. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, I can see that the price really moved upwards and it has brought me my profit again. So 5 minutes was enough and now my deposit is $3,000. So I think I'll find the last trade for today. Well, this is the level of support. The price has been trending with impulsive candlesticks. And also draw your attention to the indicator that is signaling the entry point, and the price has hit our level for the 3rd time. So I think I'm going to enter a 2 minute trade with a down trade, expecting the level to be broken through. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. Analyzing this situation, I can see that price trended downwards and this level is broken now. It has brought me amazing profits and the indicator really helped me by suggesting a very good entry point. And my deposit is now $4,000, so I think I'll stop trading here for today. So guys, as you saw, all the situations in the market today were very good. I used OTC pairs to trade today and they're relatively easy to trade on. I was able to combine technical analysis and the use of the indicator plus these OTC currency pairs, and it's very easy to trade on. It's like trading with the other currency pairs during the day, so it's not really hard. And also, if you have any burning questions, I'm ready to answer them. I have a private chat in Telegram channel. I left a link down below. This link is a link to my personal chat. You need to write me with the code word money team, and then I'll add you to this private chat. In this private chat, I usually answer people's questions about trading. I also post trading signals that you can be able to use. And I also post my chart so that you can be able to copy my trades and be able to understand well. So if you have any burning questions, don't hesitate to send me in my private chat in Telegram channel, and I'll be able to answer them quickly. So don't forget to comment down below if you have any suggestion for any new video that you want to see. And also don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to hit that notification button so that you can be able to know when there's a new video that is up. So thank you so much for watching this channel. So until next time, bye bye.